In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Formula Custom Fields 2025. If you've ever wished your tasks could do the math for you, like adding story points, calculating budgets, or turning dates into durations, Formula Custom Fields are exactly what you need. They let you create dynamic values that update automatically using the data that already lives in your tasks. First, open ClickUp and head to your My Workspace. This is your home base where all your spaces, folders, and lists live. From here, navigate to the specific project where you want to add a formula field. It's best to pick the list or view where your team actually works, so the field will be immediately useful and visible. Now, look for the plus sign in your task view. This is where you add new custom columns. Click it to open the menu of available field types. From the list, choose Formula. This tells ClickUp that you want a field that calculates a value rather than storing a manual entry. When prompted, type a clear field name. Good names keep your workspace tidy and make formulas easier to use later. For example, estimated cost, hours remaining, or completion score are more descriptive than a generic title. Once you've named it, click Create to add the field to your view. You'll now see the new column. Click on the field to open the formula editor. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can build your calculation using available task fields, operators, and functions. ClickUp gives you a handy picker to reference existing fields. Think numbers, dates, and other custom fields so you don't have to remember exact labels. Use simple math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, or go a bit further with functions such as rounding, conditional logic, and date math, depending on what your plan supports. Keep your formulas readable with parentheses and concise names, and test with a few example tasks to make sure the results look right. When you're ready, calculate to preview the outcome. The field will populate across your tasks and update automatically as underlying values change. That means if a teammate tweaks a time estimate or you adjust a rate, the formula results refresh without any extra work. A few tips as you go. Start simple, then iterate. Keep naming consistent so the team understands what the field represents, and verify that everyone who needs the field can see it in the current view. That's it. Your Formula Custom Field is live and working for you. Save time, reduce manual errors, and turn your task data into insights that actually drive decisions.